Alexa, turn on bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on balcony.
Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the VR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package which contains the Sengled Element Classic Smart Bulb Starter Kit. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and how to use this thing. So let's not waste any time, let me grab the Swiss knife. Here's the Swiss knife, and we're going to unpackage it.
Hey Alexa, how are you?
I'm quite cheerful, probably because I've been thinking about my favorite animal.
Alexa, what's your favorite animal?
Seahorses make me smile, mostly because I can't help but picture sea monkey cowboys riding them across the ocean, into the sunset.
Good to know. Alexa, turn on bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on balcony.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off balcony.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, you're the best.
Thanks.
Alexa, don't I get a compliment from you?
You have Flatter Me enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes, please.
Everyone gets knocked down sometimes, but you always get back up and keep going.
Alexa, you're amazing.
Thanks.
Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the Sengled Element Classic Smart Bulb Starter Kit. For more details about it, please check the description to the video. If you still have any questions, leave a comment and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channels, follow me on the social networks, and visit my website originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!